Kajingalang dengan kanhun menteri ka belalong mantagasngi ka arpatarik ukalangot arajar arpuar kalarai ban phano ye kijing ai jingmut syaka sukar pedeng hakabedei bat kijing penkiu ye kisit apa district council konrat sama menteri rangba ulong ba kini sapoteli kende nam taga KHDC bat ka JHDC kat ban nam taga JHDC bat kan long live seat
in the councils and regarding the formation of the village councils. In the number of seats, the proposal that the government of Meghalaya has given is that Khasi Hills and Garo Hills shall have not more than 40 members.
Umatirang ba oleh toru ba nagalang jongka sokaja kan phalang lu iga jeng ai jingmut bat kala pedang yaki village council ke bandan haki shnong hakabaki rangba shnong ba solar ken lang ke chairman ke yakaba inchthong yaki kat bai paket khat kende ke bachuji na pedang ken shnong
adult suffrage. Then in terms of the village council, the members, the cabinet has proposed that we should, that the village councils will be elected, but the chairman will be an ex officio, will be the Rangbashnong, the Sordar or the Nokma will be the de facto chairman of the village council. And the secretary will be elected, and as per the different provisions, the other members also will be elected. But the chairman of every village council will by de facto be the Rangbashnong or the Sordar or the Nukma as per the, or the head/headman. So these are the two recommendations which were the last few pending issues that were left. We have proposed it, and this has been done, of course, after thorough consultation and a discussion with all different stakeholders, including the district councils themselves. And these suggestions have come from the district councils, and accordingly the state government has proposed this to the government of India, and these proposals will go in the next few days. And I will also be discussing this once I go to Delhi for discussion on the border issue. Apart from that, we'll also discuss, as I said, we have updated the cabinet on the border issue itself, and we will be meeting the Assam Chief Minister tomorrow evening at about 4:35 o'clock in Ghadc, and we're hopeful that once that meeting is over, we should be able to come to a final conclusion on these first 6 locations that we are trying to resolve.
So, but the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, the seat for the KHDC should not be more than 37.
Yeah, so if you can go through the language that I have proposed, I've mentioned to you, it says shall not have more than 40. So if you were to have 36, 35, 32, that's up to Garo Hills and Khasi Hills, how many that will be there. Of course, there will be a process for doing that. But point is that it will not be more than 40.
Hakabde bagi kendon na kebantaman pelong khat igi pat kicak benriu konat sama ulong balaweng no yang ke kendon habekan bakasaka pedeng.
So, and that particular clause will not be there.